Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Windows 11 computer back to factory settings. So if you've had a lot of programs installed and removed over the years, or you have a lot of issues with different settings or pop-ups or errors or whatnot, and you just want to do a clean factory reset, or if you just want to give your computer to someone else, this tutorial could be for you. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in factory reset. Best result should come back with reset this PC. Go ahead and open that up. So underneath recovery options, you can select reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Select reset PC. You can either remove apps and settings but keep your personal files, or remove everything and just do a complete factory reset basically. So you would select that second option if you want to remove everything, keep your files if you want to just do like a semi-factory cleanup. I do want to point out, even if you select the option to keep your personal files, it depends what directory that they are saved in on your computer. So if you just have documents all over in different folders and whatnot, you might not have them all when you come back after factory resetting your computer or doing this first option here. So just please back up your files regardless of what option you select. And then once you're done, you would just go ahead and make that selection and then follow along with the on-screen prompts. I don't actually want to reset my PC, so I just canceled out of it. But that's a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.